directive naman niya, kahapon pa niya naibigay, ano, is that we should be able to anticipate yung mga needs. Kaya kahapon pa lang, he has ordered the immediate preparatory actions or activities ng ating mga different response clusters. But importante po, isa sa kanya importanteng mensahe, gayon na rin ng ating Pangulo, no, is that we should be able to conduct preemptive evacuation doon sa mga high-risk areas, which nagawa naman kasi as I've mentioned, yung numbers po almost reach 1 million, no, yung mga nag-preemptive evacuation. So right now we're just really monitoring yung effects na niya or impact, no, kasi papasok na talaga siya, and we hope wala pong casualty dito. And ang panawagan nga natin kahapon pa is that our mayors and our local government leaders, no, ay dapat they should be on the ground leading the preparatory efforts, no, anticipatory actions doon sa ground, and really i-implement yung mga preemptive measures sa lugar nila.
Kanina po, yun sa binabanggit kanina na mga search and rescue teams, we actually have deployed, no, from the different search and rescue teams from the AFP. We have 10,713 from the PNP also. We have 13,000 from PCG. We have 7,000 plus, BFP 18,000 plus. So yung deployed na po dito, that's around 5,428 po ng mga SRR teams natin ang deployed, at meron pa pong naka-standby na 46,696. Hindi pa po kasama dito sa bilang na ito yung ating mga DRRM workers, rescuers, and responders mula naman doon sa mga local government units. For now po, no? So yun muna ang aming mga updates.